with the kinds of crimes alleged in those indictments, the governor has the authority to remove the sheriff and appoint an interim, which I have done.
That is our breaking news. After months of investigation, Greenville County Sheriff Will Lewis has been indicted on charges of misconduct in office and obstruction of justice. A former Sheriff, Johnny Mac Brown, will take over as interim sheriff.
It's been big news all day, coming after Lewis's affair with that assistant while on a taxpayer-funded business trip. We have team coverage for you tonight on this indictment. Aaron Rodgers and Brianna Smith are both standing by. And Brianna, we're going to begin with you. Get the latest right now on the investigation and this indictment.
Yeah, Amy, we broke the news about those indictments this morning before solicitor Kevin Brackett could even make it out of the courthouse today. And those indictments actually follow a 7-month investigation by SLED. And we've learned today that their investigation is far from over. As a grand jury met inside the Greenville County Courthouse, we informed the Sheriff's Office General Counsel about the news.
Online court records show that Sheriff Lewis has been indicted on obstruction of justice charges as well as misconduct in office. Do you have anything to say as his legal counsel?
Well, actually, I'm the Sheriff's Office legal counsel. I'm not Will Lewis's attorney, but actually I'm hearing it for the first time from you.
2 indictments handed down to the top cop in Greenville County, one for misconduct in office for a series of alleged improper acts while being sheriff, another for obstruction of justice for allegedly impeding or hindering the administration of justice.
Regardless of who you are, mighty or meek, everybody has to follow the law.
The SLED investigation started last September after former sheriff's assistant Savannah Neighbors wrote a blog post saying she was sexually harassed and assaulted by Lewis while working for him. Lewis admitted in a press conference that he had a sexual encounter with Neighbors on a taxpayer-funded trip to Charlotte. No word if that sexual encounter is related to today's charges.
I can't speak to the facts and circumstances that form the foundation of the charges. The charges and the indictments will have to speak for themselves.
And with SLED agents back in the sheriff's office today, solicitor Kevin Brackett says this investigation is far from over.
You said that more charges could be forthcoming. Why was it important to get these indictments today and not wait until there's more charges or look further into that investigation?
Well, we wanted to move forward on the information that we did have that we felt comfortable making charges on. The investigation itself is ongoing. There are additional interviews and matters that need to be looked into.
Will Lewis is expected in court Thursday morning at 10 o'clock. He will be arraigned on those charges, a formal bond hearing of sorts, in front of a circuit court judge. His attorney, Beatty Ashmore, telling me today that they're not commenting on these charges yet. In Greenville County tonight, Brianna Smith, 7 News.
Brianna, let's get a little bit into the backstory here, because you, of course, were out there at the courthouse. We had crews staked out there to perhaps see Will Lewis coming in, to turn himself in. Never got those images. Do we know what happened with that?
You know, my colleague Aaron Rodgers was actually at the LEC all day, and it's my understanding that we had eyes on the front and back and never saw Will Lewis come in and out, but we were told that he was served with those indictments at the LEC today, so he was there at some point. He is aware and has a copy of those indictments, and then hopefully we're going to learn more about what led up to those charges at this arraignment hearing, where more details may be given on Thursday morning.
Yeah, and hopefully we'll learn more about exactly what the basis for the indictment was along this process as we watch it unfold. Brianna Smith, breaking the news today. We thank you for that.
So again, these indictments come after 7 months of investigation after Lewis's admission of a relationship with an assistant, Savannah Neighbors, on a taxpayer-funded business trip. We did catch up with Neighbors' attorney today, just moments after the indictment came down.
Don't have any information on what specific allegations went into the indictment, but like I said, we do stand by all of our allegations in our complaint. We look forward to seeing the resolution.
So let's try to put all this into perspective and look at how we got here, starting with Will Lewis and his career as a local lawman.
Lewis started his career in 1998 with the Greenwood Police, also working with Greenville Police, the Pickens County Sheriff, and as a deputy in Greenville County. a job he resigned in 2011 during an investigation into conduct unbecoming a deputy and unprofessional behavior. In June of 2016, Lewis was among several Republican challengers to then Sheriff Steve Loftus, and during the runoff election 2 weeks later, Lewis narrowly defeated his old boss. In August of 2017, a former sheriff's office employee named Savannah Neighbors published a blog post accusing Lewis of sexual assault on a work trip to Charlotte.
I did have a consensual encounter earlier this year.
Lewis later admitted the sexual encounter. The indictments today come from the state investigation into those claims.
So on the heels of the suspension of Will Lewis, Governor McMaster appointed former sheriff and former marshal Johnny Mac Brown as interim sheriff.
And we have put together background on Johnny Mac Brown because you may not be familiar with him, especially if you've recently moved to the area. He was the Greenville County Sheriff for 24 years, from 1977 to 2001. After leaving the sheriff's office, he became a U.S. Marshal. He's now in his 80s, and he's called for Lewis to step down right in the days after the news broke of his alleged affair with Savannah Neighbors. Here's what he had to say back in November.
It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing for the people of Greenville County. It's embarrassing for men and women at the sheriff's office. His credibility is gone.
Now, that's what the now interim Sheriff Johnny Mac Brown told 7 News in the fall.
That, again, was right after a former assistant to the sheriff, Will Lewis, Savannah Neighbors, filed a civil lawsuit accusing the sheriff of sexual assault